Best Post-Workout Supplements of 2023. If you wish to maximize your development and gain muscles, nutrition plays a major role. The secret to building muscles and keep your gains going well after your workout is that you need to supply your body with nutrients for growth and recovery with post-workout supplements. If you wish to maximize your development, it's important to know that post-workout supplementation plays an important role in optimizing physical performance and helps with recovery after physical strain or activity. Studies show that if you wish to maximize your development, you do it in the first 30 to 45 minutes of your workout routine. What food should you eat when you exercise? Pre- and post-workout nutrition is the fuel that keeps your body on the right track. It's important to eat right before and after your workout. The goal of pre-workout foods is to maximize performance, such as lifting weights or running faster and longer. Post-workout, try a food-first approach to recovery since many women can recover from exercise by simply eating a meal or snack within an hour of completing their workout. Foods that are rich in protein and carbohydrates are best to eat after a workout. We highly recommend eating within an hour of completing your workout, since that's when your body is most responsive to nutrients. A smoothie, turkey or peanut butter sandwich, or fruit and yogurt are all great options after exercise. If you are looking for food-based options for post-workout recovery, we recommend a smoothie made with milk, protein powder and fruit, or a turkey sandwich with peanut butter. Post-workout supplements. While post-workout supplements should not replace a balanced diet, they are a quick and convenient way to add some nourishing ingredients into your post-workout routine. Especially if you are energy depleted and you need a quick fix, a post-workout supplement can give you a quick energy boost. Eating after a workout is essential for muscle repair and overall performance. Many foods and supplements claim to enhance muscle growth and aid recovery, but not all the products live up to the hype. After a competition or workout, focus on getting carbs and protein into your body. Look for carbohydrate, protein and electrolyte-containing foods or supplements with sodium as an active ingredient in order to replenish minerals lost in sweat. Who may not benefit from post-workout foods and supplements? After an intense workout, your muscles are starving for nutrients, so protein to repair and grow muscle, carbs to replenish glycogen stores, and electrolytes to replenish what was lost in sweat should be added to your diet. You won't need a post-workout food or supplement if your workout lasted less than 60 minutes or was not intense. It is still important to eat regular meals and snacks, so if the exercise is gentle but lasts a long time, it may be time for a meal or snack afterward. If you are a casual exerciser and you don't push your body too hard, you can probably get away with skipping the post-workout snack or shake. But if you engage in rigorous exercise for an hour or more, or multiple days in a row, it's important to make sure your muscles get refueled as quickly as possible. Best post-workout supplements on bodybuilding.com. Post-Gym BCAAs plus Recovery Matrix. Post-GYM BCAAs plus Active Recovery Matrix is a concentrated recovery formula consisting of 6 grams BCAAs, 2 grams creatine HCl, 2 grams beta-alanine, 1.5 grams betaine, 3 grams glutamine, 2 grams L-carnitine L-tartrate and 1 grams taurine. Its potency is due to the inclusion of 5.3 milligrams black pepper extract, which has been shown in research studies to increase absorption of key active ingredients. It helps ensure you have all ingredients required following training to support muscle recovery and strength gain. RSP Nutrition Amino-Lean Recovery. Improve muscle recovery after your workout with Amino-Lean Recovery post-workout drink. With 5G of EAAs and BCAAs, essential amino acids, electrolytes and minerals, Amino-Lean Recovery will aid lean muscle growth and fuel athletic recovery. The extra benefit of vitamin C, D, zinc and reishi mushroom will keep you going strong to your next workout. Zero sugars, artificials, flavors, or colors. Evolution Nutrition Creatine 5000. When it comes to building muscle, creatine monohydrate is the most researched form that's known as the #1 supplement for improving performance in the gym. Evolution Nutrition's 100% micronized creatine 5000 gives you more energy, increased power and strength, more muscular endurance and faster muscle growth. Evolution Nutrition's 100% pure micronized creatine 5000 is made with the highest quality ingredients to ensure what you put inside produces the best results outside. Other great post-workout supplements. X10 Sport BCAAs. Physician's Choice Collagen Peptides Powder Max Absorption. Ritual Vegan Protein Powder with BCAA. Jacked Factory Growth Surge Creatine Post-Workout. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder. My Protein Clear Whey Isolate. Vital Protein Collagen Peptides. Now Sports Whey Protein Isolate. Shop easily for supplements online. For more information, please visit www.dietofcommonsense.com.